First, check your Python version. Open your terminal and type this command. The output states the Python version installed on your system. If it doesn't, install Python by running this command. After this, install the pip package for Python. Then let's create a Python virtual environment. We already have a Python environment and we need to activate it using this command. Once you're inside the environment, choose the install option that fits your needs. Now you're ready to remove backgrounds. Open your terminal and use this command. Replace input.jpg with your image name. The tool creates output.png with a transparent background. The first time you use Rembg to remove an image's background, it downloads AI models. Need to process many images? Use the P option. This removes backgrounds from all images in the Photos folder. Results saved to that output folder. For images with fine details like hair or fur, use alpha matting. For those wondering, alpha matting is a post-processing step that can be used to improve the quality of the output. Start the Rembg server using this command.